So congratulations is in order. You signed a supplier contract with Costco. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about Costco and their EDI process. And with that, we have to hit on some of the different points that are out there when you're looking to set up an EDI system. You, of course, want to go through your EDI software selection and figure out which tool is going to be the best for you. You also want to figure out how you're going to get that installed. You're going to have your project planning and your implementation. That's going to be a part of things. You're going to have your testing that you're going to have to go through with not only Costco, but with also your back-end EDI system and making sure everything works from an end-to-end process. You're going to have your EDI communication that you're going to set up. So how are you going to handle the documents to be received and sent so that you can exchange them properly? You're going to need to do your complete end-to-end testing where you're going to have all your different departments sign off on that processing. You're also going to have Costco signing off and saying, hey, everything looks good. We're ready to go. We can move you from test to production. And then, of course, a part of it is your document integration. With your document integration, that's making sure that your documents are flowing successfully through your back-end ERP system, or they're corresponding with a warehouse management system or your trucking system, or whatever you need to do when you're dealing with Costco from an EDI standpoint. So as we delve in and we start looking at the actual documents that you're going to be doing with Costco, we think of things how they're going to be handled with the purchase order, or also known as an 850 document. That's going to come from Costco's system to your system. And that's either going to be using a VAN, a value-added network, which is an EDI mailbox, or AS2. AS2 is direct connection, going from one system to another system where they're pushing you data and you're pushing data back to them. So when we're dealing with the 850 or the purchase order, that's going to have our item information, the ship to, what type of product they're looking to purchase from us. All of those valued pieces of information is going to be on that purchase order that's coming back from the Costco system. In return, whenever you're dealing with an EDI document and they've sent you a document, you're going to return back to them a 997. That 997 is saying if the document has been accepted into your EDI system or if it's been rejected. Not that it's been processed, but simply that it's been received and you're acknowledging it back. So that's going to be a functional acknowledgement or a 997. And you're going to be sending it to either a VAN or utilizing AS2. In regards to the purchase order, they're going to send you then a purchase order change. If they have something that they want to delete, an item that they want to remove, or they want to increase a quantity or reduce a quantity, change some pricing, maybe the ship to address needs to be changed. So they're going to send you a purchase order change document, also known as an 860 document when it comes to EDI. Now, we're at the point where we've put our product together, we have it all ready, it's been put in a carton or on a pallet or vice versa. However you're going to be shipping that product, you're going to then need to tell them when that product is going to be arriving at Costco or at their warehouse or directly at the customer's home. So with that, you're going to be sending an advanced ship notice, also known as an ASN or an 856 document. That document is telling them what product's being shipped to them, where it's coming from, who it's going to, how it's getting there. So is it UPS, FedEx? Are you using your own trucks? All of those pertinent information dealing with that shipment is being sent to Costco. And typically you'll want to send that ASN 24 to 48 hours before your physical product gets received at a location. Now it's time to get paid. So what are we going to do? We're going to send them an invoice. We're going to send them an invoice, which is also known as an 810 document. And on that 810 document, it's going to reflect what we've shipped, how much we're looking to get paid, all of the various information. But really, it's just saying to them, it's time for you to pay me for what I've sent to you. They might send back from Costco an 824 or an application advice. That application advice is going to simply tell you of issues or errors or notifying you of something that Costco needs you to be aware of. So you're going to want to review those 824 documents so that you can see what they're trying to tell you. It's usually going to have information that's pertaining to the invoice or a group of invoices that you sent to them. They're now also going to send you back an 820. 820 means you're getting paid. They're telling you what they're paying you for, how much they're paying you, so on and so forth. The beauty of that is that's a payment order / remittance advice. It's an 820 document that you're going to want to see and see what they're paying you for so that you can do your reconciliation of your invoices. That is everything in a standard EDI relationship with Costco. So you're having those purchase orders coming in, you're going to be acknowledging them, they're going to be sending you maybe a change, you're going to be sending them an ASN or advanced ship notice, and now it's time to get paid. Or, hey, we got some things that we need you to fix, so we're going to send you these documents. If you have any questions, reach out. Jim Gonzalez, EDI Support. Have a great day.